Hi everyone, Marcus here from MedPack, and if it's your first time here, we only talk about electric skateboards, unicycles, crowdfunding products, and also I cover a lot of Xiaomi products. And this time, this one was brought to you by GearBest, and this one is the Mi Band 4. I have to tell you that it's really difficult that you'll find a better companion than this one. Outside of the box, you are going to find obviously your manual, your charging dock, and obviously you are going to find your Mi Band 4. I would like to have seen a solution that I don't have to remove the band all the time. One of the things that makes me not use many smartwatch on the market is the battery, and that's why I use a Garmin Fenix 3. The battery here is incredible, and here you have battery for 20 days, and I use the brightness in the maximum. I use a heart rate sensor working constantly. This one you can also use in the water up to 50 meters. The sensors on the bottom, they are much better because they have 6 axes and it's really easy to use. So let's talk about the band and what you can find. Obviously the screen looks really nice. You are going to find the percentage of the battery that you have, which time it is, which day it is. Depending on the amount of steps, the wheel, it changes the color. And when you enter on your status, you can see the steps that you've done, the distance, the calories, and also the amount of alerts. So what is that? If you don't move for an amount of minutes, an amount of time, they are going to vibrate and tell you that you have to move around. Obviously you are going to find your heart rate, you have the workout, and you have 6 types of exercise. So you have running outside, running in the treadmill, the cycling, walking, doing exercise on the gym, and also swimming, and that is incredible. For the price, you have many Garmins that don't give you the swimming option, and they are much more expensive. And when we talk about swimming, you also can say the size of the swimming pool. You have the weather, and when we talk about the weather, it's going to show you what is the weather for that specific day, to swap up and see the weather for the next 2 days. And also obviously it tells you where you are. You have your notifications, and something that I like is this possibility to choose which apps you want to notify you on your watch. Also have more DND. You have the alarm. Every single time that you have to set a different alarm, you have to go to your phone to do it. You also can control your music. That will come in a second. You can have the stopwatch, so you can see how many seconds or how many minutes have passed. You have also the timer. You have Find Device. That is really helpful for me because I never know where is anything. You have the silent mode. You can pay things with this watch, but I'm not sure if it's available on the UK. You have your band display, so you can choose different displays to your watch. I use the stock one because it's my favorite. You have also the settings. You can control the brightness of the screen. You can lock the screen. You can reboot. You have the factory reset, regulatory, and about. When you swap to the right, you are going to be able to control your music, so you can put in play and pause, you can pass to the next music, you can pass to the previous music, and you also can control the volume. Everything in one spot, so definitely a plus. And in the other sides you are going to find your Alipay. I've been using this for the last 2 weeks basically, and I've been really happy. There are things obviously that I prefer much more on the Garmin, but it's not comparable in price. We are talking about £35, we are talking about £600. For the price, it's difficult to beat. I've been using for 2 weeks and I'm not really careful. There is no scratch at all on this screen. Something that I don't like on this bracelet, but you always can change, is quite difficult to make it tight to your wrist. And obviously you need that because you have a heart rate sensor on the bottom. The app also looks really nice. If you want to know a little bit more about this one, or if you want me to cover something in specific on this one, let me know in the comments below. If it's your first time here, don't forget to subscribe, comments below, smash the thumbs up, do whatever you want, but always with a smile on your face, and I hope to see you in the next one.